Welcome to your own channel, Data Science 24/7. This is Abhishek, and we are going to discuss today how to make a scatter plot and to understand the relationship between two quantitative variables and to know the distribution of data as well. Apart from this, I'm going to tell you like how to add trend lines, how to add R square and display equation also. That is a very important concept of linear regression. So let me quickly show my Excel sheet. So here is a very basic data of house pricing. So this is a very basic project that a data science beginner can try. So this is an open data set that you can take from Kaggle. So we have multi-variables that are associated with the dependent variable price. And yeah, we want to know suppose what pattern is exhibiting this area column, area variable with the price of the house. So first of all, and we need to look into the pattern with the help of scatter plot only. So first of all, select this data, Control Shift down arrow. Now go to Insert. Then there is something called Insert Scatter XY Bubble Chart. Click on that. So there will be multiple options. First options are showing you scatter plot, then bubble. Bubble is nothing just a like extended version of scatter plot. So we are going to click on the first option. So folks, this is how the scatter plot looks like. So scatter plot is a very important concept of data science that tells us like what are the relationship between two quantitative variables, how the data is distributed. Apart from this, it is used for understanding of data also, data preparation also, like to detect outliers. For example, this dot can be considered as a outlier. So suppose we want to show the trend lines. So click on that bubble, right click, add, go to the add trend line option. So this is a trend line. As we can see, there is not like showing ample amount of proof that it is a linear there is a linear association between these two variables, and that is why it is widely spread, and there is not showing any good pattern of linear. So this is how we add the trend line. If we want to display the linear equation also, here is, you have to click on that, and this is what we get is a linear equation where y is dependent variable and xi will be your independent variable, that is y is price, x is area, and this is intercept, and this is 0.006 is coefficients. So apart from this, if you want to add r square also, so you can see there is one more option, r square. R square will be telling you that linear association between these two variables. As we can see, there is not that much linear association. That is why our r square is very low. That is around 28%. So actually 0.2873 can be read as 28.73%. Apart from this, if we need to add chart title, access title, click on that plus option, and there will be your chart elements from where you can remove those grid lines, enter that. Here also you can remove the trend line and add that. Apart from this, if you want chart title, then click on that, access title, click on that. So first of all, we need chart title. So this is area versus price. So this is our area, and This is our price. So it is a very important concept, like making a scatter plot, interpretation of the scatter plot. It is used from the initial stage of the data science project, that is from data manipulation, data preparation. We need to look into the data, like whether there is any outliers, or what are the variables or quantitative variables that are linearly associated or associated or not, and whether there is any pattern. And it also helps us to understand the distribution of data. So yeah, so hopefully you found this video helpful. If it is so, please give thumbs up. If you want to learn similar skills in future, hit that subscribe button. And that is all I have for today. See you in the next time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.